Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I'm your host, Rocky, again in my mother's kitchen. I am cooking dinner for my parents today, so my mom won't be here until the taste test. It's going to be a very simple meal today. My mom actually saw this. We did a pasta recipe a couple weeks back, and she saw this on the back of the Great Value brand, the Walmart brand, pasta for a one-pot pasta with spicy sausage. So a one-pot meal, hey, that's right up our alley. So I already got the sausage started, so I'm going to put the camera down, watch the intro, and we'll be right back. Alright, the 1 pound of sausage is just a mild Italian sausage. I'm going to break it up. And to that you're going to add 1 chopped onion. Going to cook it till that meat is cooked and the onions are translucent. And when that's done, we'll be right back. Recipe called for 7 minutes, and it's actually pretty close to 7 minutes. Next thing you're going to add, so we're just taking it right off the old box, is 2 garlic cloves chopped. We're using the pre-minced garlic. I'm only doing about 1. My mom and dad aren't all that big into garlic. Calls for 3/4 teaspoons of oregano. Now I'm going to add a little bit of basil to this as well. This is going off the recipe. About a 1/2 teaspoon. About a 1/2 teaspoon of fennel. And maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of fennel. And it calls for, because it's supposed to be a spicy sausage, it calls for 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm only going to do about 1/4. My dad is a wuss, and it calls for crushed red pepper flakes, but we're going to put this on at the table so me and Mom can go overboard. My dad doesn't get smoked out of the house. Just stir it in. Let that garlic cook for about 2 minutes, it says, and we'll be back and put the rest of this in the pot. Next is going to be add a 24-ounce jar of pasta sauce. 2.5 cups of water, so I filled this about 1/2 cup short of being full, which would be 2.5 cups. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir. If you feel anything stuck to the bottom, use this time to deglaze it. Now we're going to just let this come back to a boil. And when it comes to a boil, we'll be putting the pasta in. Be right back. Alright, it's back up to a boil. Last step. It's going to be add your box of rotini noodles it calls for. You can probably use any as long as you use a pound. Give it a stir in. Bring it back to a boil. Get everything even in there in the liquid. When it comes to a boiler, like starting to right here, all I gotta do is put the cover back and lower the temperature down to about medium low, somewhere in there. You just want to keep it to a simmer. Gonna cover it with the pot top and go 8 to 10 minutes, and it should be done. Stirring occasionally. We'll check back when it's finished. All right, it's actually been about 15 minutes. Mine had to go a little bit longer to get the noodles done. But that is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off. Grab me a ladle. And serve it up. So for my toppings, a little bit of black pepper. Crushed red pepper. Slide that off the burner. And some of the fresh shredded Parmesan. The stuff that's in a bag, not fresh shredded myself, but it's in the bag. Not this stuff, Mom.
Shut up.
And just a bowl of pasta. That's all it is. Nothing special, nothing spectacular. I'm not expecting this to be, you know, something I'm gonna serve for all my guests, but
How you feeling?
for a quick throw together meal, it took me about 30 minutes to prepare. There's nothing wrong with that. Quick and easy to throw together, quick and easy to get on the table, and it's cheap ingredients. You can use all Walmart brands, cheap and easy. Get a good meal on the table. This is actually pretty good. Hot. So if you like these kind of quick and easy videos, make your life simpler, get home, throw some food on the table for your family and get going. Give this a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you have another recipe like this, please share down below. I would love to see that. And as always, thank you for watching and have a great night.